लास्ट टाइम जब आया था बहुत डरा डरा सा था, सहमा सा था। मैं हूँ आरजे रोशन एंड फर्स्ट वीक में आके अच्छा लगा। नेक का इशू था, थोड़ा सॉल्व हुआ, बट डॉक्टर जी बोलते कि वापस आ जाओ, वापस दिखाओ नेक। तो मैंने बोला यार एक टाइम आ जाओ, पूरा ठीक कर दो। और मेरे को नहीं लगता कि सेकेंड वीक में भी ठीक होने वाला, क्योंकि सालों का पेन है। बट होपफुली डॉक्टर सुदर्शन ऐसा स्माइल देके सब अटैक टूक करते तो ठीक तो हो रहा है। और जो एक्सरसाइज है, so I've been doing that 2 weeks exercise ऐसा पूरा, so that is helping me. But yeah, the pain is there and it is there to stay. So Dr. Sudarshan, please full power कर दो.
Hey, hi Roshan, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
How's
So-
the pain now?
So the pain is still there,
Okay.
but not as much as before.
Yes, yes.
So अभी थोड़ा कम है, I can move my neck
Good,
like this
good,
properly.
good, good.
But there is still pain when I do this.
Okay.
So neck,
Extreme range is a little painful, right?
so
Which
extreme
is
range.
okay.
Yeah.
Which is okay. Fine.
And it sometimes goes to my head as well, and sometimes goes to my back as well. I don't know. That is why I'm here.
Of course.
So if you could just
No worries, no worries.
Just
Yes, yes, yes. Of course, we'll get it sorted. Sit. Come. Okay. So pain is. Yeah, you had a little bit of stiffness around this area.
Yes.
So turn on this side.
See,
This movement is yes, and this movement this side. See, this is a little free, and this side you still have a little bit of pain. And there is a muscle knots also. You need to do some soft tissue mobilization.
Please remove every muscle knot if possible.
Yes,
if not
yes,
today,
yes.
but slowly and gradually.
Absolutely.
I want to get rid of this.
Yes, yes. It will happen. It will happen. Definitely, we can do this. In, breathe out. Okay. Okay. Breathe out.
Oh,
That was something required for you.
yeah, I think so. I think so.
That is it. That is it. Breathe. Breathe out. Nice. Good. Breathe out. Relax. Okay. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Okay. Should not be painful. We're going to release your spasm here. Okay. So, how are you feeling now?
Feeling much better. अभी देखते है, दर्द है. मैं झूठ नहीं कहूँगा, मुझे दर्द है.
Of course.
But so here there is restricted movement. Here I'm full must.
So pain, this whole thing will take a little bit of time.
Okay.
Like I told you, 1-2 session में नहीं होगा. Maybe another 1 or 2 sessions, and the spasm has been there for a long time. तो
Yeah.
चला जाएगा, but it will take time. So you don't worry, मैं हूँ इधर ही. I don't have to.
There is all the trust. जब आपने ऐसे भी किया ना, जब मैं आपको देख रहा था,
Right.
so I was skeptical earlier when I was seeing the videos only, but
Yes.
now that I've come here, so it's much more better.
Good. So no worries, this will go on. Okay.
Done. Thank you, doctor.